cardinal.
Find something else to play
So
with.
pretty.
Grandma's
Get
packing
in my video.
stuff.
Oh,
Oh, it's alright. It's not the end of the world.
bird watching. Bird watching. I'm gonna post my bird watching videos, Mom. There's a cardinal over there. That red thing right here. So I can get my finger in here. That thing that just flew right in that red. The red thing is a cardinal.
Sounded like she said Toby.
Right here is a sparrow. And there's another sparrow. They're very tiny. There's another cardinal right there.
No, you gone.
And there's another red thing. That's a cardinal again. You just saw a mockingjay. Oh, the cardinal went on my roof. Oh. So we just saw a mockingjay on my floor. Over there, that's my floor. Oh, and those are my two doggies. They're so cute.
Puppy, mommy.
Get out of my video. I'm trying not to scare away the birds, so I'm trying to talk quietly. We saw a girl cardinal earlier. I'm sure I can see cardinal everywhere. Dude, crap. Just dropped my apple. I'm eating an apple right now. Who's the birds are up there? Oh. I think I saw a chickadee. With like a dark gray. With weight on its stomach. So yeah. Sorry about that little crunching over eating apples. Sorry of the little talking. That's my sister. Say hi.
Hi.
Look, we're gonna watch birdies. We're making lunch right now too. I think I just saw a chickadee. Might have been a mockingbird.
What?
So comment down below if you want to see more of these bird watching videos. And tell me if you want some Q&As. Other cardinals are over here in this area where we can't see. Oh, I just saw a chickadee. I don't know if I got in, but it was like right up there and it flew all in my house. Either a chickadee or a mockingbird. That's good.